What's up? I'm Vaughn, the founder and CEO of the software development firm Tier 5. And today I just want to talk to you about a brand new software that we're developing called Lead Rabbit. So Lead Rabbit essentially feeds you leads, and I'm going to show you all the different types of leads that you're going to get. Just a few of them, all right? So for your $100 payment, what we're going to do is we're going to give you all of this data right here, all right? You can see there's so much data here. These are businesses in Arkansas, and you can see here there's over 83,000 businesses just in Arkansas. You're going to get all these for every state in the United States. You're going to get so much data. You're going to get all these data here. And what it's going to contain is you're going to get over 300 million domain leads. People have registered domains. You're going to get over 23 million businesses, which is the data that I'm opening up right here, and it's just taking a long time to open up because there's so much data. All right. So you're going to get all this data as well. You're going to get the industry, the business name, the address, their website, their emails, the contact person. You're also going to get the over 300 million domain leads, people who own domains, their contact information. You're going to get doctors, you're going to get lawyers, you're going to get chiropractors, you're going to get every site that's built on ClickFunnels, you're going to get all the ClickFunnels users. There's so much data here. There's literally over $10,000 worth of data that we purchased that we're going to give you just for $100. So you're going to pay the $100, and then we're going to give you all of the data files. You're going to get access to all of the data files, and there's easily over 500 million pieces of data here between businesses and consumers. You're going to get over 500 million pieces of data. We've paid over $10,000 for the data to be able to build the software Lead Rabbit. We're going to give you just access to all the data for just $100. So if you want all this data, just click the button that says, yes, I want all this data. You'll go through the payment process. You'll just pay $100. And like I said, you'll get access to all of the data, over 500 million leads for you to actually sort through and do whatever you want with. You'll have reseller rights. You can resell the data, or you can just use the data for your own lead generation, all right? Over 500 million leads you're going to get for just $100. Like I said, we have spent over $10,000 on this data, and we're giving you all the same data that it took us a little bit over $10,000 to purchase from very legitimate sources. We've cleaned it. We've removed all duplicates. We've cleaned all the data to make sure it's all verified and accurate. And you're going to get over $10,000 worth of data for just $100.